Brother Barnes, your Principles of Biology study partner. Is it possible for one trait not to necessarily dominate over another, but to be co-represented? In that case, what is this called? This is a B blood type with a recessive O blood type allele and an A blood type with a recessive O allele. These are the possible combinations. Well, in an X-linked trait, typically the trait is carried by the female, but because she has another X chromosome, her dominant chromosome rules over this and this does not manifest. But if this is the X chromosome that the male receives, he actually manifests the trait. Might be hemophilia, Duchenne, muscular dystrophy, color blindness. Another interesting thing that I will point out is the book that I'm teaching out of now puts the female on the left and the male on the top. I don't always do this, but that seems to be the convention in your book.